Advance your career at Touro University Illinois, where you can gain practical skills in cybersecurity and data analytics, making you highly valuable in the healthcare industry.
Acquire skills in high-demand areas to emerge as a standout professional in healthcare, skilled at navigating the complexities of the contemporary health landscape.
In our online courses and programs, you acquire not only skills, but also a future committed to protecting patient data and utilizing analytical insights to enhance patient care.
Touro University Illinois is transforming healthcare with innovative technology.
Our online healthcare cybersecurity and data analytics programs are structured to develop your leadership in these essential fields.
Taught by industry experts, you will become indispensable in defending healthcare data from cyber threats and deriving informed decisions through data analytics.
With these skills, you become a versatile and forward-thinking professional, primed for sought-after positions in healthcare, technology, and data management.
Our cybersecurity courses focus on protecting the healthcare sector from digital threats.
Learn from top cybersecurity leaders to secure patient data and healthcare systems.
Gain the skills for high-demand roles in healthcare cybersecurity, tackling its unique challenges.
Dive into our healthcare data analytics offerings for a dynamic online journey, mastering complex data to elevate patient care and streamline healthcare operations.
Learn how to analyze vast data sets and apply this knowledge to make evidence-based decisions, ultimately improving healthcare delivery and enhancing patient outcomes.
By joining Touro University Illinois, you are stepping into a realm of innovation and leadership in healthcare cybersecurity and data analytics.
Our online offerings, encompassing badges, micro-credentials, certificates, and master's program, deliver a comprehensive, flexible, and industry-relevant education designed to meet the evolving needs of the sector.
Embark on your journey in healthcare technology at Touro University Illinois. Contact us now to explore how our specialized programs in healthcare cybersecurity and data analytics can transform you into a highly sought-after expert, placing you at the forefront of the job market.
Visit our website to begin your journey as a leader in healthcare technology.
Register now and take the first step toward industry leadership.